Hi everyone. Today I have an old antique, radio here. You know, the valve type. I can't remember what I got it out of. It's been in my shed like for 5 years or so. So I bought it out. I'm sure it's working, but not 100% sure. So I'm just going to clean it up a little bit and see how to work it. I've got a couple of valves loose. Got to find out where they go. I don't want to mix them up. And I'm going to try and see if it works. Let's have a go. Well, this is it. Maybe some of you might recognize what it's out of. I'm sure it's a gramophone. You know, the radio on top and the record player underneath. And this is the top half of it. Just going to turn it around. So the inside's really filthy and dirty. I'm not sure if those little light bulbs there light up or not. But as you can see, that's missing. And one down here missing. I'm pretty sure the small one is for the top here. We'll see in a minute. But to restore this, it's a lot of work involved. You know, to take the capacitors out, resistors out, new wiring. But basically, strip the whole thing down, do it again. This is the underside of it. As you can see, that's the tuner. Well, of course you know that. This is the aerial just hanging off there. I'm pretty sure this is where the speakers go. I'm going to just put it together and see if it fires up. Well guys, I put this valve in here and the other one there, and I put the speaker wire here. I've got an external speaker here. We're going to see. I'm going to fire it up and see what happens. I plugged it in. Oh, light came on. That's good sign. So we just gotta let the valves warm up and see if we're getting any sound at all from it. Working with one hand here. Something's working anyway. Well, the valve's lit up. Didn't touch anything. Alright, let's see if we can get something on here. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, so we have a medium wave there. That's a long wave. That's a VHF. I think that's on long wave there.
Human beings ourselves are under threat in many parts of the world. Let's call from Selena.
Oh, there you go. We got something there, guys. So it's good, it's working.
Where land is on average just...
I'd like to get some music if I can.
You know, he was this fraction offside. But the other thing, as I've said to Andy,
I'm quite happy with that. So guys, I've just put it onto long wave and I got a channel. Amazing. Let's try the VHF. I think that's VHF. But this has also got I think one of them is for the gramophone. I'm not sure 100%. So try. That's VHF. There you go, guys. Looking nicely.
To save money on your family's
Oh wow! Listen to that. So I think one of them is a gramophone. I'm not 100% sure on that. But there's a lead here. Power lead goes to the gramophone, you see. That's it. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to sell it. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, and comment. I'd love to hear what you've got to say about this one. But I do love these antique things, especially the valve thing. I believe, well, I do know, the sound is beautiful on these things. I like the sound, especially music. I mean, when it's in the casing, or when that's in the casing, and the sound is beautiful, original case. So, thank you again. I know I'm messing around with it. I think I might clean up a little bit, make it look a bit more presentable. Okay guys, I gave it a little bit of a TLC job there, not a lot, just a little bit cleaned up all that. Look at these valves, they come really sparkling clean. I love it, look at that. That's really nice. Anyway, if I was keeping it, I'd have to do a thorough job on this thing. And you know something? I think some of you might be screaming that to me. I've just noticed this here. There you go. So it's a Ferguson radio. And I just noticed it when I was cleaning. So I'm just going to do a last test on it, because I've cleaned it, make sure everything's working. This lead broke off here, and I've just resoldered it. So I'll give it a final test, guys, just to make sure everything's working. After soldering that, and I've even got an Indian channel, can you believe it? Can't believe it. Yeah. Amazing.
The car. An imperial car. Imperial cars. The car finance.
There you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed yourself with this project. Although we didn't do anything much, just made sure it's worked, cleaned it up, and that's it. Thank you for watching again. Take care, bye. And this is the off button. That's the off button. It goes high before it goes off. Amazing.